In the news recently, we've heard a lot about the Department of Government Efficiency, and I know I, for one, am a big fan of government efficiency. I want the government to be as efficient as it possibly can be because it's what's responsible for paving our roads, keeping our nation safe, taking care of the people who can't afford to take care of themselves. I want that process to be as efficient as it possibly can be. I will say this. There are certain laws that apply in this country about what the government can and cannot do when it directly affects you and me. There are open meeting laws, there are record-keeping laws, there are oversight laws where the people that we elect and put in position are supposed to sort of keep their hand on the tiller to make sure that we're headed in the right direction and make sure that our interests are protected and there's no waste, fraud, or abuse. The only thing that we need to be aware of is that those laws still apply, and we, as a people, have to have people in power who are willing to enforce those laws to protect our interest. And I guess the point from a legal standpoint is understand this. Regardless of what's in the news and what's out there, the statutes that protect our open meeting requirements, our record-keeping requirements that allow people like you and me to look at those records and find out if our interests are really being protected still apply. So whenever someone gets you concerned about anything that could be happening behind closed doors, understand that we're supposed to have visibility into that whenever the government does anything, because the government has such massive power over our lives. The power to incarcerate you, tax you, fine you. So that oversight that we have as people is still pretty important when we're talking about the efficiency equation.